Hi, today I'll show you how to customize notification bar icons in Doogee S88 Pro. So, let's open notification bar and we need to click right here. And now we can just change the place of, I don't know, night light, or if you wanna put do not disturb right here, you can just hold it and put it here. Or if you want to drag something from here, like bedtime mode, to this place, I mean, so somewhere here, you can just hold it and drag it right here. And when we will go back, we can find this bedtime mode right here. So that's all, thanks for watching, press like, subscribe to our channel, and see you next time.